I know, which is good. પછી કંટાળો આવશે માતિકાના માં.
Baby has hiccups. Oh, so cute. What are you doing, honey? When are you going to start crying so I can feed you?
Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry.
You're just chilling, aren't you? What are you looking at? What are you looking at, honey? What are you looking at? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're just chilling. You're just chilling.
Everybody's laughing, right?
Why is everyone laughing at me? I have hiccups. These are, I don't think these are cute.
Everybody's making fun of my baby.
Honey, what are you looking at? What are you doing with your hands, honey? What is Papa doing?
Papa naman ikapala dyan.
Oh, I thought they were gone.
Oh, Dika. Oh, Dika. Look at that, look at that. Oh, Dika. She's ready to...
Hi, Gulu.
What are you doing?
Hi, Gulu. Hey. Oh, Mom. Oh, hiccups out today. You're going to be tired, baby. You're exercising. Are you exercising?
How come you couldn't open your eyes that wide for the doctor today?
I know the
He was trying to help you.
Yeah?
You're keeping your eyes shut.
She wouldn't go from that, eh?
Alright, we're at another 2 ounces.
Good job.
So we have 2 more feeds right here.
Oh! Baby does a sneezy. That's the first sneeze we caught on tape. You gotta sneeze all those boogers out, huh, honey? Good job. You wanna look at the camera? What color are your eyes?
Not yet.
Look. Oh, you wanna grab the camera?
Yeah. Okay. So don't make everything happen. I gotta find your glasses.
Look! Look!
Hans, where did you
Look.
put the extra cap? Huh? On the way
It's probably in the box.
Oh, still in the box?
Yeah. I only took one out and washed it.
You only took one out of the standardized cup?
Yeah. No, I just cleaned it with soap and water.
I just poured it out of there, right? So I'm just put it. Yeah,
Are you playing with your feet? Oh, hello. What are you doing with your feet, honey? Those are your feet.
So we'll wash this
Okay, bye-bye.